Last year, teams from across Yorkshire began a race like no other. No phones, no wallets, just grit, instinct and 7 secret checkpoints across West Yorkshire. They pushed through challenges, discovered new places and raced with one purpose: to support Forget-Me-Not Children's Hospice. And together, they raised over £40,000. Now, the race returns. Bigger, bolder. Are you ready to take on the race across West Yorkshire in 2026?
Yeah, it's that way, like. Can't put that on the side.
The ultimate adventure awaits, and your support means everything. Every amount truly helps. Use the link in the description to donate. Thank you.